UMnyango wezokuBusa ngokuBambisana eGauteng ukhathazekile kakhulu ngesimo sokungabibikho kozinzo eMkhandlwini wase E Goli njengoba obeyiMeya ebisanda kuqokwa uThapelo Amad esulile esikhundleni kulelisonto. Ukungabibikho kozinzo kulomkhandlu kuphazamisa kakhulu uhlelo lokuhanjiswa kwezidingo zomphakathi. Ohlelweni lwethu ke emini-nje sikhulumisana nowengameli loMnyango eGauteng Mzi Khumalo Sikubingelele Mntungwa eindabeni. Sibonga kakhulu ngokuthi ube nathi namhlanje emini.
Ngibingelela kuwe, ngibingelela nababukeli ekhaya.
Umkhandlu wase Goli usuphinde wasala dengwane ungenameya. Isimo ke lesi esingesihle njengoba nalabo phela bayikomiti lemeya bengameli izinhlaka ezahlukene zokubhekelela ukulethwa kwezidingo beyizoshintshwa futhi. NjengomNyango ke esifundazweni ikuphi enikuphawulayo ngalesi simo esenzeke eMkhandlwini wase Goli?
Ngicela ukuthi sikhathazeke kakhulu ngoba kubonisa ukuthi kuba nenkinga ye-stability ekhanseleni yase Johannesburg. Kodwa what was saying singumkhandlu ukuthi sakwamukela ukuthi uMeya uresignile. Into esifuna ukuyicela kumkhandlu wase Johannesburg is that they must move at a faster rate to replace uMeya ohambile. Njengoba sixoxisane nabo babonisile ukuthi next week Tuesday there's a council meeting ezohlala, and that council meeting will elect a mayor city. So what we're asking them to do is that they must move at a faster rate to ensure that there's stability and that there's election executive mayor.
Mntungwa, manje ninake njengomnyango wengamele izindaba zomasipala nemkhandlu eGauteng kukhona yini enikwenzayo ke ukungenelela phela ekuxazululeni izimo ezifana nalesi esiqhubeka eMkhandlwini wase Goli?
Sisebenza kakhulu nenkokheli zabomasipala eJohannesburg. Sihlangane no speaker wase Johannesburg, sihlangana nezinye inkokheli zamasipala, sikhulumisana nabo ukuthi kusemqoka kakhulu ukuthi sibe nestability kubomasipala bethu, and siyavumelana nabo. Babonisile ukuthi ngokuhamba kuMeya wamanje there was a little that they can do from their side to convince uMeya to stay. However, as a coalition government, they are agreeing that they must ensure that the stability. But also, this is the nature of our coalition governments that we are having. That from time to time we'll have this kind of changes that are taking place in municipalities. However, sizwene nabo ukuthi sisebenze ngamandla ukwenza sure ukuthi abazomkhetha ukuba uMeya ngolwesibini lo muntu lo sizame kakhulu ukuthi simsupporte sihlale naye isikhathi esithize. But secondly, we are also doing a study around coalition government and how best as a department we can sustain our coalition government kubomasipala bethu ngoba sikhathazeke kakhulu nge-service delivery. Into esifuna kuyipressa kakhulu nabomasipala is that they must focus on service delivery. The issue of leadership is something else, but the issue of service delivery it's another issue. And all of us are agreeing in the province that we're going to push hard to ensure that even though there will be this kind of changes that are taking place kubomasipala, kodwa service delivery in our communities must less be disrupted, or it must not be disrupted at all.
Manje njengoba na ushilo ukuthi impela kunezingqinamba kulolu hlelo lokubusa ngokubambisana, uma ngabe luneyinkinga ezingaka ezingeni lezifundazwe kuzwe lonke, ingaba amaqembu ke azokwazi yini ukuthi abuse ngokubambisana kuzwe lonke ngemva kokhetho lwangonyaka ozayo?
We are agreeing no president we country and the deputy president we country babonisile esikhathini esidlulile ukuthi kufanele ukuthi se regulate abomasipala. We must put a law that is going to help us to regulate abomasipala. In that sense, we think that through a law, municipality parties in the municipalities will be compelled to work together. Thus far, Gauteng, all the parties have indicated that they do want to work together. I think the problem is that the environment is not regulated. and therefore the environment is largely driven by political interest more than the need for us to, more than service delivery, for instance. So what we are saying is that as of now and going forward, particularly as we talk of next year, we must be able, all parties must be able to put together a service delivery pact or agreement, and that agreement must be made public so that when there's a fight, the parties must be able to say, siyahlukana ngenxa yokuthi this mayor or that councillor is not keeping to the agreement of service delivery that we had. As things stand, because of the lack of regulation, more political interest is the one that drives these changes that are taking place in different municipalities.
Asibonge kakhulu ke Mntungwa ngesikhathi sakho ohlelweni lwethu.